Welcome to the TT Admix watertight concrete system from the Wickamole Group. TT Admix is a crystalline waterproof admixture which alters the microstructure of the concrete, enhancing its durability and reduces the permeability of concrete. TT Admix is fully BBA accredited and recognised as a form of waterproofing within the UK British Standard BS 8102 as a Type B system. TT Admix is cost-effective and easy to use. TT Admix is batched at the Ready Mix concrete plant, delivered straight to site fully batched, resulting in no additional labour or time lost on the site buildings programme. TT Admix is installed in line with industry standards and best practices and comes with no additional rules or requirements. TT Admix by the Wickamole Group can be installed in various applications, such as deep basement construction, capping beams, lift pits, swimming pools, waste transfer stations, and many more forms of applications where protecting the structure from water ingress is a requirement. TT Admix by the Wickamole Group is fully supported technically via our large team of technical sales managers, head of technical services, and a wider group throughout the project, providing the client peace of mind every step of the way to project completion. Upon completion of the installation of the blinding or base layer, reinforcement is installed as per the engineer's specification. TT Admix system performs and complies to reinforcement designed to BSEN 1992-1 and BSEN 1992-3. TT Admix watertight concrete is then cast into the ground, whilst ensuring the concrete is fully compacted and cured correctly. Prior to concreting, all surface penetrations cast into the concrete must be fully sealed, either using TT sealing straps as shown in this video, or wrapping TT water stop around the pipe and securely held in place with TT Swell Mastic S2 and tie wire. Concrete construction joint preparation is an important and critical part of Type B waterproofing. Wickamole Group encourages all basement slabs to be cast with a monolithic kicker, typically set to 150 mm high. Once the kicker has been compacted, insert a timber batten at 20 mm times 15 mm into the centre of the kicker prior to the application of a liquid retarder, supplied by Wickamole Group. To apply the liquid retarder, decant the liquid into a hand spray pump and cover the surface of the kicker with a generous amount of liquid. The next day, jet wash the top of the kicker to show the clean exposed aggregate. Clean exposed aggregate is vital to create a strong bond between the old and new concrete. Good joint preparation also reduces the risk of water ingress through the construction joints. Once jet washing has been completed, remove the timber batten from the kicker, remove any excess dirt and debris from the surface, and apply a continuous bead of TT Swell Mastic S2. As soon as TT Swell Mastic S2 has been installed, roll out a desired length of TT water stop and firmly press the water stop into the pre-formed recess. When installing the TT water stop, the end roll ends can be butted up or overlapped accordingly. In this part of the video, you will see the BDA-accredited TT water stop and TT Swell Mastic S2 working when the water stop encounters water ingress through the construction joint. TT water stop is a high-performance hydrophilic water bar with excellent swelling capacity in numerous wet or dry cycles. TT water stop is designed to block small voids that may be present in or around the construction joint. For the construction of liner walls, formwork is fixed vertically to contain the concrete pour. When casting single-sided shutters, rebar sleeves are inserted and clamped into position. Once wall tie sleeves are installed, place the TT sealing UFO around each sleeve and place formwork into position. This part of the video shows a side-on view of the wall with TT sealing UFO in position with concrete poured in place. All vertical stop ends and construction joints must be sealed with TT water stop and TT Swell Mastic S2 into a pre-formed rebate, similar to that of the kicker detail as shown earlier in the video. Prior to pouring the concrete walls, it is important the stop ends are painted with gel retarding agent, with the stop end struck the next day and jet washed to show clean exposed aggregate. When the formwork is ready to be removed in line with concrete best practice or instruction from the structural engineer, remove the front cone off the tie sleeve and insert the TT sealing plug into position. Using a small hammer or mallet, simply tap the TT sealing plug into the hole securely. Our TT sealing UFO comes in various sizes to fit any type of sleeve. In this part of the video, you will see where potential water ingress may try to work its way into the structure. On contact with the water between the concrete and tie sleeve, the TT sealing UFO will react as a physical barrier to stop water from tracking. If water penetrates inside the sleeve, TT sealing plug will activate and completely seal the tie bolt hole. TT Admix is a crystalline waterproof concrete admixture and can seal cracks up to a maximum of 0.3 mm. TT Admix works by growing crystals within the capillary network and effectively speeding up the process of healing cracks in concrete in the presence of water. The speed of healing process is subject to the amount of hydrostatic pressure. TT Admix can be used in several applications, from basement construction, lift pits, waste transfer stations, attenuation tanks, swimming pools, and much more. TT Admix is supplied direct to the ready-mix concrete plant, batched and delivered straight to site. Once the concrete truck has arrived, concrete can be poured into position.